Hello, YouTube. It is your man, the Big Ball Death here, and I'm going to be making a video as to what the human mind is capable of. Now, we tend to be procrastinators, right? We tend to say we'll do our homework tomorrow, or the next day after that, we'll do a project tomorrow, or we'll ask that girl out sometime, right? But in reality, you can do anything that your mind is set to. It's just you have to be willing to struggle, contend, and to endure. And so it's in order to prove that human will, I will be consuming a whole container of spam just to prove that the human mind is really capable of making you do insane things, such as eating this processed shit. Now, are there any benefits? A full stomach, and I'm probably gonna be sick, but I mean, I hope this video proves that you can do anything your mind is set to, even even doing this. So, cheers. It's the first continents. There it is, gentlemen. There it is. Your processed garbage from the United States. I'm eating this in my bedroom, so my bedroom's gonna smell like spam. Look at that. Okay, here we go. Mm, it's very chewy. Mm, there's juice going everywhere. Fuck. Okay, already I'm feeling like shit, but never ever give up. Mm. Oh yeah. Mm-hmm. Mm-mm-mm. Keep in mind, this spam is chocolate full of sodium, so more than likely I'm gonna be sick after eating this. But hopefully this even furthers my point. So, cheers. Oh my god, that's awful. That is actually awful. That is fucking awful. Oh man, this is why I don't really eat shit that has been processed because you can just taste that it's been laying around. You know. Oh, oh god. Oh, I haven't eaten much for the day. I haven't had much breakfast or lunch. It's my brain telling me not to do it, but my body, my body, man, it's fucking. the classic one. No, that is fucking awful. Oh my god. I'm really it's the sodium. The sodium is gonna fucking kill me. 5 grams of protein, though. So I mean, if you're a bulkster or somebody that wants to bulk, this could be your food, but don't eat this shit. Really don't. Don't eat this shit. This shit's bad for you. I mean, it's it's processed shit. You do not want to eat this, which is why I probably shouldn't be doing this. But God fucking damn it. Oh, oh. Mm. This is the final run, man. The final countdown. This is what my journey has led me to. So, if this does end up killing me, my last words will be: you can set your mind to anything, but um, just because you can doesn't mean you should. That's God. God. Mm. All right. Well, there it is. I ate the whole thing. Um, I'm not feeling too great for the feeling else to be expected, but there you have it. As much as I wanted to stop, I kept going, and I did it. I hope, I hope this gives a decent example that even if something as repulsive as this ungodly invention of a food brand, even something like that, you can do it. You can do anything. Even as eating is something as revolting as a shit. So just wherever you're at, keep going. And hell, if this video does blow up, I'll probably do more maybe. See how much more I can wreck my body doing this shit. But yeah, like, subscribe, comment, share your struggle stories, and yeah, let me know what you guys think. Have a good one, guys. Thank you for watching. Toodaloo.